Alright, it is time for another beach adventure. And I am at Färjestaden Hamn, the Färjestaden port. And this is a public beach actually that's overlooking the city of Färjestaden and the port also on the other side. It is quite crowded at the main part of the beach, but there are several entrances along the way here as well that you can enjoy the beautiful Baltic Sea. Indeed. So, it is 21st of June, Midsummer Eve, and I'm exploring Öland. And it is actually my first time in Öland, so I'm really enjoying it so far. And I'm right now at Färjestaden, but I'm gonna be heading off to Boda tomorrow for 7 nights in that paradise in heaven that many people consider the best beach in Sweden. So Öland is the second largest island in Sweden after Gotland, and it is quite a nice island indeed. And I'm gonna give a full grade when I see also the north part, which is the best. So here we're gonna then take a swim in the sea. So follow me as we are exploring the sea right here in Färjestaden. So here it is very shallow. I can stand. So let's continue furthermore. There are even some water scooters that are trying to show off their speed. And quite crowded today on this Midsummer Eve. And there is even a sandy part of the beach, but there are very few people over there because it is very shallow. It is also shallow right here where I am, but it's still super nice. So yeah, Färjestaden Hamn Badplats, this is. It is 20 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the sea it's around between 18 and 20, depending on where you measure. So if you go for the proper measurement, it's 18.5 actually. That was the measurement to the other beach very close to this one that I visited earlier. So yeah, then let's then take a swim. Let's go. Amazing. It's so nice. Look at that. We can see also Kalmar there in the distance. And Färjestaden, this is right here. And the main part of the beach as well. So, yes, Öland, beach adventures in Öland with Chris. And this is day 3 of my vacation, or as I call it, vacation. After spending 2 nights in Kalmar, now I'm going to spend 1 night here in Färjestaden before heading to the most beautiful beach of Sweden, as they say, Boda. So yeah, that's a wrap from this central beach in Färjestaden, one of the major cities in Öland, the second largest island in Sweden. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.